welcome back to the channel. It is 2021 and this is going to be the first video that we're going to be putting out. Today we're at my storage facility where I keep the NSX. This is my 1991 Acura NSX. Today it's going to be a pretty cool day. We're going to be installing some taillights that my girlfriend bought for me for Christmas. It's been taillights that I wanted to purchase at some point. It's just that with my budgeting and stuff, it wasn't, on point, or it wasn't at the time that it didn't coincide with where my budget was. But she ended up buying it for me for Christmas, so I'm very thankful for that. We're gonna be replacing these old taillights that I have here. They're pretty, they're actually not bad for 29 years old, but hey, it's time for out with the old, in with the new type of thing. So if you guys are interested, they'll be on the market. Just hit me up if anything. But we'll see. NSX parts are very hard to come by nowadays, so maybe I'll just keep them in my storage here, and yeah, maybe they'll come in handy one day. What we got here actually is some arc light LEDs for the NSX, a very common or a very known brand throughout the NSX, like worldwide. They make some LED tail lights for the NSX with like those kind of like the car shop glow ones, but made in the States instead of made in Japan. The Japan ones are like $4,000. I can't afford that, so we ended up going with the arc lights. Just as good, very well built, as you can tell. I'll show you guys in a second. The first box that we have here is actually the center garnish. A little blemish, but yeah, that's the center garnish. So it's going to be replacing the ones that I got here. The original one here. This is going to be in the place. Yeah, and as you can tell, there is a slight little film of tint on them. It kind of give it that blacked out look. Instead of like a pure red one, we got that. This little box here, I think. Oh yeah, so this is the brain of the whole operation. There it is. That's the brain of it, with all the wirings. Anyways, it's not my forte to do wiring, but it doesn't look so hard to do. What I like about what they do is that they change like the connectors, so that way you can't mix them up. So that's pretty cool. That's another thing we got there. Right over here is the pièce de résistance. So we got some tail lights from ARC, and honestly, these are super cool. If you can see inside, like you see the LEDs. It's gonna look super cool. Can't wait to have these on the car. Alright, so that concludes the installation of the ARC LED taillights on my 91 Acura NSX. Some of you guys have asked the question, where the hell are your wheels? Well, I got another video actually coming up on that. It's going to be super hype. We already started filming a little bits of it. I'm just waiting for it to kind of finalize and get done and prepared and sealed, in other words. So be on the lookout for that. The installation of the ARC LED taillights actually came out it was super easy. The wiring was very understandable, even for a beginner. Like I mentioned too, wiring is not my forte, but it was pretty easy to actually connect two connectors together. Right now, I actually have it on the show mode, and I actually have just my lights on, just so you can see what the layout of the LEDs look like. Take a look. If you guys like that sequential action of the taillights, please drop a like. It helps us actually a lot with hopefully, you know, getting this channel to blow up. I would appreciate it if you guys also, you know, drop a comment and subscribe. That would help us too as well. We got a lot of content coming up. It's sad that COVID had to hit us, but you know what, it's fine. You know, we're gonna work our way around it. I have something coming up for you guys. I'll probably get you guys by surprise because nobody will see it coming. Again, something that I love to do is just to come out hard from the get-go. So that's one thing. I also want to give a huge shout out to JDM Montreal for coming by and helping me a little bit with the vlog and everything. He did like a little special feature on his page, so make sure to go check him out. That's on Instagram at JDM Montreal. Thank you guys so much. This concludes the vlog for today. I'll see you guys on the next one.